Let's be honest, you are lazy and you want to make money online. Well, let me tell you that it's your lucky day. In today's video, I'm going to break down the number one most laziest way to make money online for beginners. Firstly, let's define the criteria of what lazy is and how we're going to define it with making money online. Number one, we don't want to be an influencer and showing our face online because that's just a lot of work. Number two, we don't want to make any digital products like courses because you are lazy and you probably have no skills. Three, we also don't want to make any big upfront investment like buying products or camera gear because if you're lazy, then you're also broke. And four, we don't want to run any paid ads. But the number one criteria we need to meet is that we get paid for life for being lazy and making money online. So the goal is that we do some work and then we get paid forever.